back to another video. Today we have a Napa holiday season savings ad from November 1st to December 31st. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this. Make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first of all, pretty much Napa is, like I said, staying away from the Black Friday sale, or that type of sale. They're gonna call it the holiday season savings. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First one here, we got 20% off 3 or more products with purchase of $4.99 tool bag. So I guess so 20% off 3 or more products with purchase of November 1 to 30th only. So I guess you get 20% off if you buy a tool bag. Yeah, so I guess you get 20% off 3 or more products with the purchase of a tool bag. Nice. It doesn't really specify what items. Maybe it's just any of the items. Alright, buy this $11.99 kit and get this free. This is a good deal here. So you buy this for $11.99, you get a free flashlight. Well, they got a lot of good deals here. 3-pack of Armor All wipes, Energizer 700 flashlight. So that's a good deal. Let's see what else. Alright, so you got a $17.99 Texas Magnetic Bluetooth box speaker. Great for garages, job sites, and outdoor fun. Even for the kids, this is something really nice for the kids. And then I guess $9.99 Grease Monkey 3-pack Value Utility gloves. 3 colors in each in stock. You got oil change special $22.98. As a matter of fact, I need to grab some oil. But yeah, it looks like it's full synthetic oil and oil filter. Napa full synthetic motor oil. Napa platinum synthetic oil filters. All right, you got a shop stool here. Napa shop stool, double ring with swivel top, $34.99. We got the Valvoline Advanced full synthetic motor oil, $25.99. I guess it does. I don't know if it includes the filter or not. Maybe it does because it says special. So, all right. So this is Valvoline conventional daily. It's hard to read, especially with the red here. $22.99 and then $23.99 for this one. Oil special. Valvoline Premium Blue Engine Oil, $12.99. Alright, next page here, we got a bunch of flashlights and tools here. So we know starting and charging. So you got the Prime Lights 3-piece work light set, $12.99. Seems like a nice work light set. Got a breakout headlamp, $19.99. Really nice. Police Security Ultra Compact Rechargeable Pen Light, $15.99. You got one STKR Light Mine Roadside Hazard Light, $14.99. You got an Evercraft Pen Light, $4.99. Energizer Keychain, $4.99. Oh, they got a whole bunch of stuff here. Booster Pack Jump Starter 12-volt power source, $169. Nice. You know what, guys? I seen especially I seen this channel on YouTube. It's called what is it? Matt's Off-Road Recovery. And he uses one of these packs. I don't know if it's this one or probably like the Harbor Freight one. But he uses one of these packs with the small winch, so he can winch up. He connects it manually, like a winch to this, and uses the winch. So I don't know if this would be strong enough to be used as a winch battery. Jump and carry 12 lithium jump starter, 12 volt lithium jump starter and power supply. $189. You got Charge It to 6 to 2 amp, 6 to 12 volt battery smart charger, $42.99. You know what, guys? Now that the winter's here, these things are very handy. This and the inflators, because the batteries, they tend to not like the cold weather. Same thing with the tires, they go flat all the time. My tires on all my vehicles were like super low. I had to actually air them up. Booster cables as low as $15.99. You got clamps as low as $1.99. You got light up LED booster cables. I guess they do have a light in them. $17.99. Alright, you got great gifts, ideas for the outdoors. Well, this is nice. We know outdoor adventure. You got a maxi track, 48-inch utility jack, $59.99. It's a nice jack right here, and it's not bad for $59. You got a maxi track backpack cooler, $29.99. And then you got the maxi track air pump, $21.99. And then you got the maxi track 21-inch round folding table, $19.99. You got a maxi track folding chair, $24.99. All right, let's go over to the tools. We got some Craftsman here. So Craftsman now available at Napa, which is a great thing. So you don't have to rely on the others, on Lopes, to actually go to Napa. Go to Napa if it's closer to you. Get these Craftsman tools. You got a 216-piece VersaStack 3-drawer mechanics tool set, $99.99. This is a great deal, especially for $100. You're getting all these. You're getting long sockets. You're getting SAE metric. You're getting the regular sockets. So you could get some bits on the back. You got some L wrenches. You got some more bits there. Some more sockets. A whole bunch of sockets. A lot of extensions here, as you guys see. You got a 1/4 inch, a 3/8, and a, what is this, 1/2 inch. And then you got some combination wrenches there and a nice box with 3 drawers, which are compatible with the VersaStack. So be sure to check that out if that's interested. That's a good deal, a good starter kit for somebody that's moving just barely, or owning their first car. That's a great gift. You got a V20 cordless reciprocating saw kit, 1 battery, $149. You got a 7.5 amp, 4.5 small angle grinder, $69. It is corded, by the way. There's a cord on the back. You got a V20 2-tool, 20 volt max brushless power tool combo kit for $149. Guys, this is a good deal. You're getting 2 brushless tools plus batteries and a charger of $149. That's a great deal. Check it out. It's a good starter kit there. Got a 20 volt 2 amp hour lithium battery, $40.99. You got a 4 amp hour lithium battery, $61.99. You got a Craftsman V20 4 amp hour lithium battery and charger kit, $99.99. You got an 8-inch, 6-inch, and 1 long nose pliers, $19.99. You got an 8-inch wire stripper, $14.99. You got an 8-inch long nose pliers, $7.99. 6-inch diagonal pliers, $8.99. I really like the handle on these. Just really comfortable. All right, next page here. We got 150-piece gunmetal chrome mechanics, $199. You got the 47-piece mold mechanics tool set, soft case or storage, like with the bag probably, $59.99. And then you have a 105-piece 1/4 inch 3/8 drive mechanics tool set, $79.99. Got an 11-piece 1/4 drive 6-point deep socket set, $27.99. You got a 1/2 inch 11-piece 12-point deep socket set, $46.99. I would just buy something like this. Something like this would be nice, cheap, and pretty much got everything included in there. 11-piece 3/8 drive 6-point sockets, $30.99. You got 8-inch all steel adjustable wrench, $13.99, and then you got a 6-inch for $9.99. And then you got some ratcheting wrenches here. You got a 7-piece for $61.99. You know what? Ratcheting wrenches are becoming a trend now these days. So there's a lot of good deals out there. So be sure to check out. Every store has a different deal going on. So check them out. You got 3-piece half-inch drive extension bar set, $24.99. You got a digital tire gauge, $7.99. A telescopic inspection mirror, $7.99. A folding retractable knife, $7.99 is like a fastback from Milwaukee, basically. But it's a nice one. Got Evercraft hand tools, $89.99 for Evercraft 92-piece, 3/8 quarter of an inch or 1/4 of an inch drive socket set. $159 for the Evercraft 129-piece. It's hard to read the red, so if Napa, if you're watching this, try to go uneasy on your reds. It's really hard to read it off your the computer here. Evercraft 30-piece, half-an-inch drive SAE metric socket set, $43.49. You got a 63-piece for $31.99, 47-piece for $33.99. So you got a whole bunch of kits you guys could choose from. You got a jet utility vise, $99.99. Looks like a really nice vise, by the way. You got an Evercraft 70-piece, $32.99. 19-piece for $20.99. So basically $1. This is a really nice one right here. Pretty much all you need there. You got Evercraft 3-piece groove joints, $17.99. Evercraft gear drive, 11-piece ratcheting screwdriver set, $26.99. And then you got, this is a much better deal here than the other ones in the Craftsman. 3-piece adjustable wrench, $13.99. Got a 26 precision ratcheting screwdriver set, $6.99. You got a 10-piece pliers and wrench set, $25.99. You got a 25-piece ratcheting T-handle. This is a really nice handle here, $19.99. You got a precision. Yeah, I have one of these kits, but mine comes with the case. The case broke, so I know there's another kit at Home Depot you guys could get that has something similar like this, but it's a little bit more expensive. This one's $6.49, so this is a good deal on this one. But I would just get a little pouch or something for it, so you won't lose all the bits and separate the bits from the screwdriver. All right, so $129 portable cable, 6-gallon oil free, $129. Mr. Heater portable body indoor safe propane. See, this is, if you guys are buying a heater, make sure it says indoor safe, because we don't want nothing happening to you or to somebody else using the heater that's not meant for the inside. Like this one, it does say it's safe to be used indoor. So just keep that in mind every time you're buying a heater. Look at that. $69.99. So safety first on that. You got embossed tin magnets, $5.99. Metal hanging signs, $7.99. You got a Napa black beanie, $5.99. You got a boombox radio with Bluetooth speaker, $29.99. So great gifts there for somebody that enjoys music. Garage parking sensor, $19.99. Like a Hopkins value trailer camera. Oh, this is a nice camera. $99. You got wireless Bluetooth earbuds, $9.99. It's a good gift for the kids. Just like a stocking stuffer. Universal magnetic vent mounts, $4.99. What is this? You can mount it. Oh yeah, that's for the phone. Car and driver dash camera, $29.99. Touch activated wireless charging car mount, $24.99. Got a 3.5 inch or 3.5 feet lightning cable, $6.99. You got 2,000 mAh power bank, $7.99. All right, we got some lights. It says starting at xenon capsules, night vision, $49.99, and this one's starting at $94.99. The red fog lamps here, it's like LED. I think these are LED. Yeah, LED. Then save $10 on a pair if you buy some wipers. Save up to $10 on a pair of Rain-X Latitude weather repellent beam wipers, and only $10 or $9.99 Napa Former beam wiper blades. Alright, you got some oil. So they're running a lot of good deals on oils. So this is a good time to buy all the oil you're gonna need for the rest of the year, basically. If you have the room to store it. So you got Pensoil Platinum, full synthetic, $23.99. It does include a filter, I guess. So don't forget. I don't know if sold separately. So I guess this one's sold separately and not like the other one. So I don't know why they make it so confusing here. But anyways, they got a whole bunch. I'm not gonna go over all the oil because this is gonna take forever. But you know, right now is the time to stock up on these. Like these W40, buy 2 or 3 of those. And same thing with these on the bottom. You know, if you like doing mechanic work and around the shop, you got Mac Winter's Chemical Specials. Yeah, I'm not gonna go over this. So feel free to rewind the video or pause the video or whatnot and look at these items. We're just gonna, like I said, it'll be too long if I keep going like this. So, oh, you got some Castro here, $27.99. Now you got some batteries there. And it says rewards, get $5 off for every 100 you spend. So just like any other store, they do have the reward system. Looks like every $100 getting $5 back. So anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.